Need serious bass but no room for a big box? Today we're counting down the top 5 best underseat subwoofers with built-in amplifier for deep bass. The easiest way to add hard-hitting bass without sacrificing space. Let's jump straight into it. First up, we have the Soundstorm Labs LOPRO 8-powered subwoofer. This 8-inch subwoofer and built-in amplifier combo packs impressive bass into an enclosure just 3 inches thick. Rated at 600 watts max and around 150 watts RMS, it delivers tight, clean low end without distortion. The built-in variable low-pass filter and bass boost allow you to fine-tune your sound exactly how you like it. At an affordable price, it's a great choice for daily drivers looking for a serious bass boost without major modification. If you want a reliable underseat subwoofer that hits hard and fits almost anywhere, the LOPRO 8 is an excellent starting point. Next, check out the Kenwood KSC-SW11 compact powered subwoofer. Designed for super tight spaces, this all-aluminum enclosure houses an 8.25 inches by 5.25 inches woofer, powered by a built-in 75-watt RMS amplifier. The sound is clean, punchy, and surprisingly full given its small size. It comes with a wired remote control for easy bass adjustments right from the driver's seat. The KSC-SW11 isn't built to rattle windows, but it fills out the bottom end of your music perfectly, making it ideal for those who want richer sound without shaking the whole vehicle. If you prioritize sound quality and a stealthy design, Kenwood's KSC-SW11 is hard to beat. Coming in strong, we have the JBL BassPro SL2 powered subwoofer. This slim 8-inch subwoofer delivers serious bass punch thanks to its 125-watt RMS amplifier and efficient design. It features JBL's signature sound tuning, giving you tight, accurate bass without muddying the mids or highs. Installation is simple with both line-level and speaker-level inputs, making it a flexible upgrade for almost any factory or aftermarket system. If you want deep, controlled bass that complements rather than overwhelms your music, the BassPro SL2 is a premium choice for underseat installs. For those chasing bigger bass, meet the Kicker 46HS10 Hideaway subwoofer. This 10-inch subwoofer system features a built-in 180-watt RMS amplifier packed into a slim, durable enclosure under 3 inches tall. The bass response is strong, tight, and capable of handling a wide range of music styles. It also includes a remote bass control knob, giving you instant adjustment based on your mood or playlist. Kicker's Hideaway series is famous for big performance from small spaces, and the 46HS10 delivers one of the most powerful underseat bass experiences available today. Finally, check out the Rockville SS 10P 10-inch underseat powered subwoofer. This system combines a 10-inch driver with a powerful built-in 200-watt RMS amplifier, offering deeper and louder bass compared to most compact subs. Its slim profile fits neatly under most front seats, while features like auto turn-on, bass boost, and adjustable crossover make it highly customizable. The SS10P is a strong option if you want a bigger, fuller bass upgrade without going full trunk setup. If you're after value, flexibility, and hard-hitting bass, Rockville's SS10P definitely deserves a spot on your shortlist. And that wraps up our picks for the top 5 best underseat subwoofers with built-in amplifier. Whether you want subtle bass with Kenwood or bigger impact with Kicker and Rockville, there's a perfect fit here for your ride.